in the heart of the ocean, deep beneath the waves, lived an anglerfish named Agnes, who bore a glowing lure. With her light, she attracted many prey, with none to ignore. One day, Agnes found a lost neighbor, a crab named Crick. Crick was trapped in a net, struggling to free himself. Agnes felt a pang, a feeling she had never felt before. Agnes approached Crick, her light dimmed, concern in her eyes. "What's wrong, dear Crick?" she asked, her voice soft and kind. Crick explained his plight, and Agnes felt a heavy heart. Agnes knew she had a choice, to help or let him suffer and die. She thought of her life, her glowing lure, and the countless meals she'd caught. But in her heart, she knew there was more, a lesson she had yet to impart. So, Agnes worked tirelessly to free Crick from his trap. With her strong jaw, she bit through the net, setting Crick on his way. Back in the open water, Crick thanked Agnes, his gratitude plain to see. Agnes realized then that there was more to life than catching food. There was friendship, empathy, and kindness, values that were due. And so, she carried on, the anglerfish with a glowing lure. But now, she shone a light on more than just the ocean's floor. The moral of the story is clear: to help a friend in need is a lesson learned, a wisdom indeed. In life, we must strive to spread kindness and care. For in helping others, we truly show we're aware